The right tree can do much more than beautify your yard. It is a living investment in your home's long-term legacy and aesthetic appeal. When carefully selected for your climate and property, trees improve curb appeal, provide valuable shade, and significantly enhance your home's perceived market value. Let's count down 10 premium trees that offer the most cinematic impact for your landscaping project, starting with a true garden gem. First, the Japanese maple. Its delicate, deeply lobed burgundy leaves provide a fine-textured elegance that serves as a stunning focal point in any garden. Next is the magnolia. With its waxy, massive white flowers and upright architectural form, it adds a touch of classic sophistication to your landscape. The live oak is a symbol of strength. Its massive, spreading canopy creates a majestic presence while offering cooling shade over a sprawling lawn. Crape myrtles offer vibrant summer color. Their smooth, peeling bark and clusters of pink blossoms make them perfect for lining driveways and entrances. The dogwood signals the arrival of spring. Its horizontal branches layered with white bracts create a soft, ethereal look in the early morning light. For dramatic autumn color, the red maple is unmatched. Watch as its lobed leaves transition from summer green to a fiery, brilliant red. The eastern redbud provides a unique pop of purple. These tiny blossoms hug the bare branches in early spring before the leaves even appear. Sugar maples offer a spectacular palette of yellow, orange, and red. They are large, stately trees that define the changing of the seasons. The southern magnolia is a stately evergreen. Its glossy, leathery leaves and fragrant, creamy white blossoms maintain beauty throughout the entire year. Finally, landscaped fruit trees combine utility with beauty. Healthy apples or citrus hanging from lush branches create a charming and productive home garden. Choosing the right tree means considering your USDA hardiness zone, local climate, and soil. Always ensure there is enough space for mature roots. Well-maintained trees are a legacy that grows over time. They provide shade and curb appeal that make a property truly desirable for generations. Choose the right tree for the right place, give it time to grow, and watch it become one of your home's most beautiful assets.